Picture this: a group of friends cruising down a dusty road in rural Texas. Their excitement turns to horror when they stumble upon a creepy old house inhabited by a family of cannibals. Chainsaws buzzing, screams echoing, as they realize they've fallen into a nightmare straight out of a horror movie. One by one, the friends meet gruesome fates, becoming victims of the cannibalistic family's twisted desires. As chaos reigns and terror grips them, they must fight to survive against unimaginable odds in this heart-pounding tale of horror. But will anyone make it out alive from this Texas nightmare, or will they become another grisly chapter in the family's dark legacy?